Well-being and happiness isn't just a good idea. It's perfect business. Gone are the days where people work simply to make a living and considered happiness as a bonus. Increasingly, employees are looking for a job that goes beyond salary. It should be satisfying, rewarding, and provide opportunities for professional and personal growth. Employees want their careers to match their values. They want them to offer wellness solutions and provide positive emotional relations. For many, well-being at workplace has become an essential condition to employment. Health and happiness is the heart of organizational culture, and it attracts and retains the most productive people. I want you to consider offering your people some solutions to improve their mental health and their physical health and their emotional well-being, and also to be able to get their CPD points. Have a little look at some of our courses below. We call them the Science of Workplace Well-Being. I think it will make you very curious. Come along for the ride or shoot me an email at Michelle with 1L at ahealthyview.com. Thank you.